Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing both your green screen footage and the background plate, then stack the green screen clip above the background on the timeline. Once done, select the green screen clip and apply Final Cut Pro's keyer from Effects Keying Keyer. Make sure you enable video scopes so you can objectively check exposure and green saturation. This helps the keyer pick the right chroma range. If your green is uneven, pause and adjust gain or color first to avoid compounding problems later. Now you refine the matte inside the keyer inspector where strength, fill holes, and shrink/expand will transform a rough key into a clean silhouette. Use the sample color eyedropper to pick residual green or reflections and turn on spill suppression to neutralize green fringing around hair and props. If the background still bleeds, add a draw mask or shape mask as a garbage mat and feather it. This eliminates irrelevant areas without overcorrecting the key. As you tweak, scrub and play to verify motion consistency. To finish, match the subject to the background using the color board or color wheels. Adjust temperature, exposure, and shadows so the composite reads as one scene. Then use Transform to position and scale the subject. Render the timeline and choose an export codec like ProRes for quality or H.264 for delivery. If you run into persistent keying issues, troubleshoot by checking the green screen lighting, reducing compression, shooting at higher bit depth, or reshooting with less reflective fabric. These fixes address the most common root causes of bad keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.